Hello students, welcome in our maths class. I am your maths teacher Shweta Tiwari. Today I am going to discuss with you the topic bigger and smaller. Now in front of you I am going to draw some example. Here is two leaves. Now you will tell me which one is big and which one is small. Yes, this leaf is big and other one is small. Now students, I am taking the LR pages. According to your LR pages, I am taking the page number 13. Here is bigger and smaller. Some conversation is here between the two children. Look the picture in front of you. Nikki is the girl. The elephant is so big and the mouse is so small. Ricky. Now Ricky said, is the elephant bigger than the mouse? Nikki, yes, it is. Now come down. Next picture, biggest and smallest. Nikki said, mouse is the smallest. Among these animals are there a deer, an elephant and a mouse. Then Ricky said, elephant is biggest among these animals. Now children, I am taking another topic here, nearer and farther. Now I am going to draw here two pictures. You will tell me which is near and which is farther. Here is, I am drawing a house and this is the tree. It is near to the house. Now next picture, I am drawing a house and a tree. This tree is farther to the house. Now come in your LR pages, page number 14, nearer and farther. Look the children, here is a picture in your page. The tree is nearer to Ricky's home. Here is a home and outside Ricky is standing and the pond is farther from the Ricky's home. Look the picture, the pond is farther to the Ricky's home. Ricky is standing outside of the house, but the pond is farther to the house. Now come next picture, nearest and farthest. Here is the picture of a park and Nikki and Ricky is playing. Look the children, Nikki is standing near to the slide and one boy is there outside of the park. This is Ricky. So who is the nearest to the slide? Means close to the slide. The Nikki is close to the slide. That's why Nikki is nearest to the slide. But Ricky is the farthest from the slide. Now children, you will solve these exercises yourself. Which one is in your LR? I am giving the pages to you. Page number 14. Picture is, look at the things in each box. Circle the things that is bigger. First picture, cherry and pineapple. Which one is bigger? Circle it. Next picture, a football and a ball. Circle it. Next picture, giraffe and the wolf. You will circle the bigger one. In the next page, here is also three pictures. Look at the things in each box. Circle the thing that is smaller. Now this time you will circle the smaller thing. Here is the ship and a bicycle. Which one is smaller? The bicycle is smaller. So you will circle smaller one. Now next is pumpkin and a lemon. Which one is smaller? Lemon. Then circle it. Next picture, same thing you will do in the next picture. Come down. Next, it is these exercises for your practice, and parents, you will help. Please look at the things given in each box. Pick the smallest things. 3 animals are there and you will tick the smallest thing. First picture, it is goat. Second picture, duck. Third picture, cow. Which one is the smallest? The duck is smallest. Next picture, lemon, orange and pineapple. Same thing you will do here. Take the smallest thing. The lemon is smallest thing. Next, the page number 16. Question is, look at the things given in each box. Pick the biggest thing. Which is big? First is bus, car and aeroplane. Which is biggest? Take it. Next picture, whale, goldfish, dolphin. Here you will tell the biggest one. Next, it is the exercise. It is the fun exercise. You will color it. Color the farthest tree which is farthest from the house. You will color it. Now in the next page, page number 17. Here is 2 pictures. First one is circle the rabbit that is nearest to the carrot. Which one is nearest to the carrot? Who will eat these carrots first? Yes, that one. So you will circle this rabbit. Now next one. Circle the cub that is farthest from the loinest. Which cub, which baby is farthest from the loinest? Yes, that is the farthest from the loinest. Then you will circle it. Now children, I am giving one more exercise to you. Then you will solve it. This is your LR exercise. So page number 12. Fill in the blanks with correct word from the box. Children, in the previous lecture, I already told you that the position of the things. Now, you will solve this exercise according to the position. Come on the picture. Now, in front of you, here is the picture and 4 words are there. Now, children, solve this. The cat is sitting dash the chair. Now, look the picture. Where is the cat sitting? On the chair, under the chair, inside the chair. Yes, on the chair. Next, the dog is sleeping dash the box. Now, you will tell me where is the box? The dog sleeping. Next, the shoes are dash the table. Now you will tell me where are the shoes. Next is flower is dash the table. Where are the flowers? Then you will tell the position of these flowers. Next, the table is dash the shoes. Now you will tell me the position of the table. Okay. Homework time. Now children, it is your homework time. I am showing to you number names. How you will write the number names in your new notebook. Now I am starting the number names 111 to 120. I have already given the number names 101 to 110, and after that I am starting here 111 to 120. So look here how you will write. In this box you will write the date. It should not be outside from this red line. Now first you will write the heading just like this. leave the one line and start the number names from this line. 111. Same you will do. So students, I am coming back in my next lecture with new topic. My new topic will be numbers. So be ready. Stay safe. Stay home. Goodbye. Thank you.